Hi, this is Rob. The Ninja CE251 Programmable Brewer with 12-cup glass carafe, black and stainless steel finish. Remember, if you get any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in buying this, please use the Amazon links below. What do you get in the box? The base unit, a removable water reservoir with lid, a glass carafe with the lid, a removable filter holder, a gold tone permanent filter, a Ninja coffee scoop, which is equivalent to 1 tablespoon, and a power cord. The control panel, the power button, turn on or off the coffee maker, the hour and minute buttons, set the time with these buttons, the delay brew button. You can set a time that you want the coffee maker to start brewing automatically so that you can wake up in the morning with fresh coffee waiting for you. The stay warm button. After the coffee is brewed, the warming plate will turn on. The warming plate will remain on for 2 hours. This is the default time. If you want to turn off the warming plate before the 2 hours, press the stay warm button to turn off the warming plate. You can also program the warming plate to stay on for less than 2 hours or stay on for up to 4 hours. Press and hold the warming button and then set the amount of time you want the warming plate to remain on after the coffee is brewed. The small batch button. If you want to brew 4 cups or less, press the small batch button. Also adjust the amount of coffee grounds and water you put in the coffee maker. There is this coffee measurement chart in the owner's manual to help you determine how much coffee grounds and water to use based on how many cups of coffee you want to brew. For example, to brew 4 cups of coffee, turn on the small batch button, use 4 tablespoons of coffee ground, and fill the water reservoir to the 4-cup line. The classic button and the rich button. Choose the strength of your coffee. Classic is for a smooth, balanced brew. Rich is for a richer than classic brew, but still have a smooth coffee flavor that stands up to milk, cream, or flavoring. The brew button. After you prep the coffee maker with water and coffee grounds, press the brew button to begin brewing the coffee. The clean button. A few times a year you should descale the coffee machine. When filtered, tap, mineral, or bottled water is used for your coffee machine, there is a high chance that your coffee machine interior needs cleaning. This is due to the buildup of minerals such as calcium and magnesium, which accumulate along the makeup of the machine's heating element. Cleaning these minerals is called descaling, and this is what the clean button is for, descaling. The owner's manual will give instructions on how to descale this coffee maker. You can buy a descaling solution specifically for coffee makers or make your own solution using white vinegar. The owner's manual describes how to make your own solution. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this coffee maker.